Hi everyone, I'm Ko-Huan. Today I'm going to introduce you the first herp of the week, the turtle-headed sea snake, Emydocephalus orarius. This is a new species published by James and his colleague in March 2020. The genus Emydocephalus is a very unique sea snake species, sea snake group. There are only 3 species, including the new one in this genus. They are orarius, Emydocephalus, and Ijimai. These sea snakes are famous of their oophagous diet, meaning that they only prey on fish eggs. The new species orarius sea snake is morphologically different from its congeners by a combination of scalation and color patterns. As you can see in the photos, the coloration of this genus is quite various. The new species often have a lower number of bands than the other 2 species. In this photo, you probably can tell why they are called turtle-headed sea snake, because they have these shovel-like upper jaws which can help them to spade the fish eggs from the coral reef. The turtle-headed sea snake distribute in Australia, New Caledonia, the Philippines, and north to Taiwan and Okinawa. The new species is endemic at Western Australia. There's a debate about whether there are 3 different subspecies of Emydocephalus at Vietnam, Philippines, Timor, and Coral Sea. I don't want to get too much details in this topic. In my opinion, I think these should be the same species of Emydocephalus. Here's the phylogeny tree of the turtle-headed sea snakes in this study. The new species, orarius, is very distinct to the other 2 species. What interesting in this genus is that there is no sign of isolation by distance. The pairwise comparison of ND4 genes shows that there's nearly 4% difference between the orarius and Emydocephalus, which is geographically very close to each other. However, only 1% difference between Emydocephalus and Ijimai, which is thousands kilometers away from each other. Therefore, they think ecological isolation is likely to be the main driver of speciation in this genus instead of geographic isolation. They actually observed that Ijimai and Emydocephalus tend to forage at the coral reef that is remote from the coastal lines. On the other hand, orarius prefer soft-bottomed habitat, which is very similar to their sister clade, Emydocephalus sea snakes. Here's a photo that I took at Green Island in Taiwan. This is a Ijimai's turtle-headed sea snake foraging at the coral reef, and apparently this damselfish is not very happy with this sea snake hanging around in his habitat. And this individual has a grayish body color. I suspect this is an individual that is going to shed, or is a very old individual. To wrap up, it probably need some more researches on the ecology of the turtle-headed sea snake to know more about their speciation process. And these are indeed one of the most gorgeous and beautiful animals under the sea. And thanks for your listening.